Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. We already complete the designing UI part, everything. Okay, first we have to complete all the front end part. Now in this video, I'm going to go to the connect the database and do the remaining stuff. Okay, so first if you are not open the XAMPP, you have to open up the XAMPP, and if it is the port is not working, you have to go to here service. Sometimes you are installing MySQL workbench. So MySQL connector, if you are installing, it will be running. You have to stop that. Okay, it is stopped and connected. Now it would be connected fine. Okay. Now what you are going to do is the exam is open successfully. Now I am going to run PHP artisan serve. Come on, run the application. Now it will be generate the port and everything. Now what I'm going to do is the car rental system. Now we have to do the rest of the things. So you have to create the application. You have to go over here. So you can see all the create application part I already explained. Okay, so we have to go to my Laravel 11 create application. You can have a things. So this all the things we have models and everything have done it. Now we are going to go to the things. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll be explaining. So first when the request is coming store brand, you type store brand, it goes to the, if you goes to the brand controller store action method. Okay, so here we have to accidentally we have to this one have to copy this and paste it over here. So here's brand controller. So it goes to the, when the request is store background controller brand brand controller store action method. So where's the controller, go and find it there. Brand controller is there. First you have to make sure you have done the model link part is correct or not. Your models reside on the models folder brand. So this is a database. This is nothing but database schema. Okay. Or this via this database schema, your record is added into the database table. So first you have to make sure whether it's correct or not. This path, all things you have to give properly. Right. After this, all things we have done it. We have to create the construct method brand. Here we have to create the construct. So we have to give this brand. We have to give over here this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to store the data. So what I'm going to do is this method. I just copy it. So here go to my create controller. So here the create controller, this controller, this complete create application code is there. How to view the records, how to store the record, edit the record, all the things. Instead of writing, I just copy and paste it and explain. It take too much of time to complete the project. So this brand, copy and paste it over here. So that's the things you have to do it. What I did here is the brand, we have give the links. This brand is reside on the models. If you assign it here, this all the path should be assigned to this brand. So this brand, if you have to call, if you add the record, so all the data should be coming here, request. So let's test that. Before that, whether the request is coming or not, let's comment it. So let's save all everything. Now here you can see here. Let's open up your Laravel project here. If the request is it's a brand, all brands. This goes to the respective page. Now if you add the brand, I'm going to type LG. Okay, if you add the LG, if you click register, if it is nothing happens. So what I did here is here store function, we have to, it goes to store, you have to go over here, you have to type it over here, this request, copy and paste. This is how we have to check it, whether the data is correctly coming or not. All things we have put it the DD request. So here we have to go to brand. Here this one, he haven't at the form request. The form request, you have to add the form. So this form, I'm going to give the action and everything. So here what I'm going to do is here the form. Where's the form? This is a form method. This one, paste it over here. This form, there is a method post action route. You have give brand control brand store action method. Brand controller store action method. You have to specify the controller name. It's a brand store action method. Okay, if you are go to here, you have to give here brand controller store action method. You have to specify the route where it goes. So here this one should be the our brand controller store action. It's get this field. This one it goes to here. Okay, so let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Okay, now I'm going to go to all brands. I have to type LG, click register button. Now I haven't give the method properly. That's the things I think. Brand index, go to the routes. Okay, no problem. Store post method. I can check it. So here the problem is this is we have make the routes all things. We are not the RESTful resources control. We have defined by manually. So we have to add this line. Now here we have to call if the request is coming. Click submit button. It goes to the store brand. So if it is coming here, it goes to brand controller store action method. This is the route that we have defined. The form. So as a form, this is a form. So in the form, we have to add the CRF token. This is must. Okay, that's the thing. It goes to the brand store. So it's coming here. When you click register button, it is be submit. So the submit form will be it's coming here. It will be submitted here. Okay. So let's check it back. So here I'm going to type all brands. You have to LJ, click register button. Here it's coming here. It will be coming successfully. Now the request you can check it. The request is coming. It's coming here. Array. Here LG is coming successfully here. This is how we have tested whether data is coming to the page success or not. What you are added. Okay, now it's added successfully. This is the testing purpose. You have tried it here. Now what I'm going to see here, I'm going to go to do the things, the remaining stuff. We have to add it. First, I already explained this brand. This we have to data is retrieving successfully. What I'm going to this is a brand. We have path we have given database path where your model is resided. So the brand there is a ORM method called create. What method this this method creating the purpose is creating the record into the database. So we have to call this create method. Request or what are the requests is coming. This all the requests we have to get it, and it will be create on the database table. Okay, what are the requests we are receiving? Get all the request records and create the records on the brand table. After that, it will be redirect back. Let's brand LJ, click register. What's the problem? Okay, the name is a problem. So here, what's the name? If it is coming the database, is the name. Here the insert into brand. So let's go to our database and check it. What happening? This one wrong will be the database. The name does not have a default value. So here I think the name should not be mismatched. So here the brand name. Here this is the name here, but here coming here, the form I have given brand name. So here instead of that you have to create name here. That's the thing you have to do. Its name does not have name. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to again change it. Now let's do it again. LJ, click register button. Now if you check out the database, it is added successfully. This is how we have added the records into the database. I hope you guys understood the things well. I'll get it in my next video tutorial.